Okie dokie. We're going to go over a few of these right here. The main thing about all these is you've just got to be able to know the properties. So this is a parallelogram. So this and this are the same. The opposite sides are the same. Opposite angles are the same. So this is going to be 32 degrees. Now, consecutive angles are going to equal 180. So I'm going to say 180 minus 32. So this guy right here is 148 degrees. And because he's 148, opposite angles are congruent, he's also 148 degrees. Notice the difference between the degrees and just the length of the side. So the angle is in degrees. The length is just a number, usually be like inches or meters or whatever. All right, 10 is pretty much the same thing. This one right here is going to be 138. So then you're to find this guy, you're going to say 180 minus 138 is 42. So this is 42 degrees. That means this guy is 42 degrees. And this guy, he's 7. That side is 7. That side is 10. Get up. All right, so let's change our pen color so that we can have a little different one. All right, so on this one right here, these are parallel lines, and they're cut by a transversal. So here's your transversal right here. This is your transversal. Right? So if this guy is 15, then the opposite interior angle is going to be 15. It's opposite sides of the transversal, and it's inside the parallel lines. So opposite, internal. All right, this one is going to be opposite. So that one's 24 degrees as well. Okay. If I want to find B and D right here, all I have to do is add these two up. So 15 plus 24 equals 39. And then I'm going right back to what I did here. Adjacent angles are 180. So I'm going to say 180 minus 39. So this guy right here is 141 degrees, which means that this guy is 141 degrees. Oh, all right. Now on this one right here, we're going to know that all of these are the same. These sides are the same. So this and this are the same. All the diagonals are bisected. They bisect each other, right? So since these are the same, because they tell us right here that all of these little tick marks, all of them have little tick marks. So that means everybody's a 5. So that means this little piece right here, this triangle right here is an isosceles triangle. He's an isosceles triangle, which means whatever this is right here, this is also the same angle. Same goes over here. If this is 70, this is going to be the same angle. So this is also a 70 degrees. This is parallel lines cut by transversal. So if this one is 70, this one is also 70. If this one is 20, this one is 20. Isosceles triangle. So that means this one's going to be 20. And this one's going to be 20. Okay. If I wanted to find out what the angle is right here in the middle, right here, all I would have to do is 20 plus 20 equals 40. and then 180 minus 40, and that's going to give me 140. Okey-dokey. All right, so that's those four, and we'll come to a next one. Hold on just a second. Let me pause here.